Hello guys, how to fix if iPhone software update iOS 17 failed in your iPhone device. What to do and to fix this issue, first unlock your iPhone and here the first fixes is check network stability. So first turn on airplane mode and wait for 2 to 3 seconds and again turn off airplane mode. This will stable your network and check whether your iOS update completing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next method is tap on iPhone settings and here go to general settings and here go to iPhone storage. To install any updates, iOS updates, your iPhone have sufficient storage available. So recommendation, fulfill all recommendation, and if any recommendation find, take action accordingly and check iPhone sufficient storage is available in your iPhone. Thereafter, background app refresh. Turn off this feature for a while, for some times, and after that again turn on this feature. Thereafter, go to your software update page and check whether iOS update error fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is tap on settings again and here go to general settings, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset again and here choose reset all settings. Tap on it, unlock your iPhone with passcode or face ID and again tap on reset all settings. Hopefully your update